Welcome back to Leafy Lessons, the channel where we dive into the exciting world of gardening. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 vegetables you should plant in your garden right now. To kickstart your growing season, from crunchy greens to vibrant root crops, we've got you covered with expert tips and recommendations. Let's get planting. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is a cool season crop that thrives in the early spring. Start sowing seeds directly in the garden or transplant seedlings for a quick and easy harvest of crisp, fresh leaves. 2. Spinach. Spinach is another excellent choice for early spring planting. It's packed with nutrients and can be harvested as baby greens for salads or allowed to mature for larger leaves. 3. Radishes. Radishes are fast-growing root vegetables that are perfect for planting now. They add a spicy crunch to salads and are ready to harvest in just a few weeks. 4. Carrots. Carrots prefer cool weather and can be planted as soon as the ground is workable. Choose the varieties that are suited for early planting and enjoy sweet, crunchy carrots later in the season. 5. Peas. Peas are cold-hardy vegetables that thrive in the early spring. Plant them now for a bountiful harvest of sweet, tender pods in a few months' time. 6. Kale. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that can withstand cold temperatures. Plant seedlings or sow seeds directly in the garden for a continuous harvest of nutritious greens. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cool season crop that performs best when planted in early spring. Choose a sunny spot in the garden and enjoy homegrown broccoli later in the season. 8. Cabbage. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be enjoyed raw or cooked. Start cabbage seeds indoors or directly in the garden for a hearty addition to your meals. 9. Beets. Beets are root vegetables that thrive in cool weather. Plant them now for a harvest of sweet, earthy beets that are perfect for roasting, pickling, or adding to salads. 10. Onions. Onions are a staple in many kitchen gardens and can be planted in early spring for a summer harvest. Choose onion sets or starts for easy planting and quick result. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 vegetables you should plant in your garden right now for a successful growing season. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these veggies are sure to delight your taste buds and fill your plates with fresh, homegrown goodness. Happy planting!